Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So basically how to add new one and remove the old one. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the accounts. Of course here we've got a whole Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it, obviously, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts. So let me tap on it. Here as you can see we've got the account which we've previously added to this device, so let's begin with removing it. Let's tap on it. A quick disclaimer, of course you do not have to remove the account in order to add new one. I just want to show you both operations. So after tapping on the account, just tap on remove account, tap on remove account again, and as you can see it will be immediately removed. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now let's tap on add account in order obviously to add new one. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, so you can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. As you can see I've got it saved, so let me tap on it, but just again a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, and your device will autofill it after tapping on next. Of course it will now work for the phone number. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And here we can check Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Just tap on it, and as you can see here you've got all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, our Google account has been immediately added to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.